Good morning, Aleena. Did you sleep well?
Morning, Aleen. I did, but I had a dream I was traveling around the world.
Oh, really? That's perfect. Because today's topic is all about countries and nationalities.
Wow, what a coincidence. By the way, would you like some green tea or coffee?
Coffee, please. Black, no sugar. You know me. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Lexicon Ledger.
Hi, friends. It's great to see you again.
In today's episode, we'll learn how to talk about where you're from and how to ask others the same question in a natural, friendly way.
So, grab your coffee or tea and let's travel the world together in English.
Let's start with some key words you need to talk about countries and nationalities. Repeat after me. Country, Japan. Nationality, Japanese. Example sentence. I am from Japan. I am Japanese. Country, Brazil. Nationality, Brazilian. Example sentence. She is from Brazil. She is Brazilian. Country, France. Nationality, French. Example sentence. He is from France. He is French. Country, India. Nationality, Indian. Example sentence. We are from India. We are Indian. Country, the USA. Nationality, American. Example sentence. I'm from the USA. I'm American. Notice that we say I'm from plus country and I'm plus nationality.
So, I'm from the Maldives and I'm Maldivian.
Exactly. Perfect pronunciation, too.
Thanks. What about plural, like they are from Japan, they are Japanese?
Great question. The nationality word doesn't change for plural. They are Japanese, not Japanese. Let's practice a short conversation. I'll play person A, and Aleena will be person B. Dialogue 1. Basic conversation. Hi, where are you from?
I'm from the Maldives. How about you?
I'm from the United Kingdom.
Oh, nice. Do you live in London?
Yes, I do. It's a big and busy city. Let's try it again, slower this time for our viewers. Now, Aleena, let's switch roles.
Dialogue 2. Polite, professional version. May I ask, where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from Sri Lanka.
Oh, I love Sri Lankan food. It's delicious. Notice that we said, may I ask, where are you from? It's polite and perfect for work or formal situations. Let's look at the grammar behind this. Structure 1. Asking the question, where are you from? Where equals question word, asking about place. Are equals verb to be. You equals subject. Structure 2. Giving your answer. I am from plus country. Example, I am from Japan, or I'm from Japan. Structure 3. Talking about nationality. I am plus nationality. Example, I am Japanese.
So, it's easy. Where are you from? I'm from Italy. I'm Italian.
Perfect. Aleena, imagine you're meeting someone at an airport or an international conference.
Okay.
You can say, hi, I'm Aleena. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
And the other person might reply, I'm from Spain. And you?
Exactly. It's a universal icebreaker. Whether you're at work, school, or traveling, it's a great way to start a friendly conversation.
You can even add something like, oh, I've always wanted to visit your country.
Perfect natural response. That shows interest and builds connection. Let's review what we learned today.
Number 1, how to ask the question, where are you from?
Number 2, how to answer. I'm from plus country.
Number 3, how to describe nationality. I'm plus nationality.
And number 4, keep the conversation going by asking, and you?
That's right. Simple, friendly, and useful anywhere in the world.
Great job today, everyone. Don't forget to practice by leaving a comment below. Tell us where you're from.
We'd love to see your countries and flags in the comments.
See you next time on the Lexicon Ledger. Bye!
Bye!